It's a behavior that we haven't documented in dinosaurs before.
A new paper is giving insight into the courtship rituals between dinosaurs, and it describes another similarity between birds and the giants that walked the Earth hundreds of millions of years ago. The paper explains a new type of trace fossil, which was discovered in 2014 at a site in Colorado.
Most dinosaur trace fossils, they come in the form of footprints, like an animal walking from point A to B. What was discovered a couple of years ago was a type of trace that looked like an animal was standing in place and then kicking its feet.
The dinosaur dug depressions into the earth and inside left behind claw and scratch marks as it kicked up the earth around it. Lisa Buckley is the curator and collections manager at the Peace Region Paleontology Research Center and says this digging trace has similarities to bird behaviors.
Many different types of modern birds do what's called a courtship display, where the males show off their nest-making prowess, and they display to the females by making a pseudo-nest. And it involves standing in place and kicking and scraping.
Buckley says the discovery is something scientists haven't written about until now, and research suggests similar findings could be hidden throughout the piece.
These digging traces were found in rocks that are approximately 100 million years old. Now that we know what to look for with these digging traces, I would not be surprised if we were able to find similar digging traces, similar courtship display traces up in the Peace region. I think it's only a matter of time.
Judging by the size, the studies suggest the dinosaur who made the digging trace was a considerable-sized carnivore.
They were made by what looks like a large meat-eating dinosaur, something fairly close-looking to Acrocanthosaurus.
It's not yet known if other Cretaceous creatures displayed the same courting rituals, but Buckley says dinosaurs would have had to attract mates the same way animals do now.
All dinosaurs had to mate to continue into the next generation. So this is going to be a behavior that they would have engaged in seasonally.
And with work continuing in the region, paleontologists are confident they'll be able to piece together that exact moment in time right in our own backyard.
So there's a good chance we might catch that moment in time up here in the Peace region.
Ashley Wiebe, CJDC TV News, Tumbler Ridge.